Moving on, Digi Yatra, India's facial recognition platform, has transformed the way people travel. Long queues for entry have become a thing of the past at most airports in the country. But what happens if you're twins? A rather peculiar reality came to the center stage recently. Two passengers who were identical twin brothers tried to enter the Mumbai airport using the facial recognition-enabled Digi Yatra gates. However, the system flagged an error indicating that more than one person matched the same face and denied them access. This video has now gone viral, in which one of the twins is explaining their predicament and appealing to Digi Yatra to do something for twins. As a result, the duo was compelled to stand in a long queue to get inside the airport. The video has garnered over 62,000 views and generated a debate over the newly discovered issue in the facial recognition system. Meanwhile, Digi Yatra responded. It appreciated the twins for highlighting the challenge and offered them assistance. While Digi Yatra, remember, promises streamlined travel, incidents like these are a reminder that technology can have its own limitations. And our principal correspondent, Disha Yadav, shared this report from Mumbai. Take a look.
Digi Yatra that promises to have a smooth and contactless experience and travel at the airport turned out to be not so smooth for the twin brothers who were recently traveling from Mumbai airport. In one of the videos that has been shared on an Instagram by one of the twin brothers, he clearly has complained that how the facial recognition system did not get detected when both the brothers were trying to enter through the Digi Yatra queue. The biometric gate immediately flashed a message saying access denied, which meant that more than one face already has entered the system. So this, of course, had confused the twin brothers, who have been already registered as Digi Yatra users, is what we understand. And they had to quit the Digi Yatra queue and had to go through the manual verification process at the gate, which took them a lot of time. Of course, missing out on the fast track facility which is available for Digi Yatra users. So this was sort of a harrowing experience for the twin brothers at the Mumbai airport.